What's up, y'all? We just bought some shitty BMW rims for $100.
Yep.
We're gonna flip it and make some money. Easy peasy. Alright guys, we are just about to paint. Here they are. A little, whatever, but they feel amazing. Oops.
But it's down to the primer, so
Like, she's sticky.
She's ready to paint.
She's ready to get painted. The backs look shit, but I really don't care. I mean, we'll figure that out later. Just drying the other one off. Hold on. Oh, one-handed here. New filmer, guys. There we go. Boom. There they are. They're all alcohol, sanded to 600. Really nothing else to say.
Yeah.
We're gonna do one tire, and then we're gonna
Do the other one.
do the other one. So I'll probably just kind of sit back and watch him do it.
Let's do it.
All right.
Turn the video off. The stem.
Just for some little insight, while he's out there working on them rims still, this is mine and his YouTube account. We're now trying to resell. We're trying to, flip stuff on Facebook Marketplace. We've already made some decent money on, hutches and whatnot, but we decided to try some rims out today. It's been a long process, low-key. It's taken a lot of work, but I'm really hoping that it's gonna work out and it's gonna look really good. So we picked those rims up for $100 on Facebook Marketplace. They're BMW style rims, and we've sanded them all down to 600. Those two that you did see, those are the ones we're working on. Sanded them down to 600. Fully sprayed them with white. We did a gloss coat on them. We'll probably have to redo that coat because it's not the greatest, but I'm not worried about that. We'll get to it. Hi guys, welcome back.
Yeah, welcome back. We're clear coating the rims. Oh, there's bugs trying to go on them. We're clear coating the rims.
Yep.
We're gonna make them.
You gotta formula down now.
You gotta form it down. Oh,
Yeah, look
so
at
we're
that.
gonna clear cut it here. Let me.
Absolutely nothing wrong with the
Let
rim.
me show you guys this real quick. So, look how this is how they look now. My shadow's in the way. There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not too shabby. So I'm gonna put you back here real quick.
Yep.
All right. So
Okay.
We're gonna see how these look.
Oh, love it.
Almost feel like maybe a flat or something would look nice too. Not necessarily gloss,
Yeah, look at you.
but I still like the color.
All right, we're gonna clear cut the stem too.
We'll have to do that.
because they told us to do it on Google because it's makes it clear.
Makes it
And
partier
makes it
and
good.
less sealable, actually.
Exactly. So that was not a user error or anything. That was Google.
Google Air.
Google told us to do that.
Obviously, this is not the most professional. We
Nope.
are well aware.
Well aware. Beautiful.
And just like that, guys,
And wrap-
this is exactly like a
wrap over.
negative pressure chamber. What?
Yep. Look at that. That's very cool.
They
Here's,
actually look really good.
here's another one
They
painted.
look good on camera.
Yeah, they do look good on camera. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I don't know. It's pretty good to me.
Hell yeah.
That's a pretty professional job. Dab me up. Let's go.
put it in.
All right, we'll check in with you guys later. What's going on, guys? So, check this out. This is after clear coating 2 of these rims. We did miss a little bit here. We're going to have to go back. But you know what? Compared to what they were, I mean, check that out. That's not terrible. You know what I'm saying?
Beautiful.
That's a decent first time. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. Wait.
Oh,
Wait,
gotta cover 'em up.
Yeah, come on, guys. Sorry. Hold on. Sorry.
Cheers to sniffles,
Come
y'all.
on, let's go.
Bad air quality. We in Wisconsin.
Yeah, it's really bad today. So, this is what we got for second set of rims. We're sanding them back, getting ready to paint, and it's gonna look beautiful.
All right. And we also have this one. This is the other one we're working on.
Ooh.
Can't really see them.
Can't see it too well, but
All of these little blemishes are like bunch
Trust
of
the
little
vision, guys.
crap, and I'm just sanding them out, so it's gonna look beautiful, just like these bad boys. All right, guys. Final day, final stretch. Might have just take them all out into the sun, take some pictures, and put them up, and hopefully sell them on Facebook.
yeah, bro. Let's
So-
see what we can do.
There they are. Boom, beautiful. So, all 4 tires. I believe we just have to tire shine one of them, but all of them look just amazing.
Brilliant. Hard work. Hard work pays off, right?
Do you want to say how long we
No,
spent?
No.
No? Okay.
Bullshit. Next question.
All right. Yeah, I mean, that's really it. I mean, appreciate y'all popping out for the video.
If I make some money off them.
What do you think we should put them up for? Honestly, looking at them, they're not great, y'all. It's not perfect. There's definitely some crap.
We'll let the market decide, right?
All right.
We'll let the market decide, guys. Thank you.
What's going on, y'all? I know you can't really hear that well. Kind of unfortunately decided to start doing some trees and stuff. But today, I got a text for the rims. So I got them loaded up in my car because Trevor decided to just not respond right now. I think he's sleeping or something. So loaded up in the Golf, and I'm gonna take care of it myself. Looking at these rims, they're worse than I was thinking. Like you thought they were better looking, but we're gonna roll with it. Hopefully that he likes it still. Yeah. I guess we got a startup too while we're here. Why not? Bam. Wait, there you go. Oh yeah. Boop, boop, boop. What you know about it? What is up, y'all? We did it. Woohoo! Look at that. So, paid $100 for them. I paid $100 out of my own pocket. And me and Trevor spent, I don't know, probably, I'd give it 8-10 hours of work that we put into it, sanding it, painting, primer, all that shit. We made $300. I mean, we definitely could have done better. We could have done it faster and quicker. Like, we figured out a method. We figured out a solution to speed ours up that was making it so dreadful and boring. So we kind of just kept pushing it off. But we finally found something that worked, that made it super easy. And we just finished them off. I'm pretty sure as soon as we figured that out, we did it within 2 days, I think. The first 2 rims, I believe they took like 2 weeks to do because we, like I said, we just put it off, and then the next one we did in 2 days. So honestly, if we could flip all 4 tires and give it a week and make $300, it's a pretty good day. I'm sitting here because Trevor is still not here. He's a little late. He called me like he just woke up literally as I was pulling up here, so it is what it is. I got him fitted in the Golf, and we good. But I hope y'all enjoyed this little series. This is my first vlog, kind of, not even a vlog, low-key. First kind of video. But yeah, this was honestly a lot of fun. I'm gonna hopefully have another video in the works that I'm gonna do right now. So maybe in like a week or so, I'll have another one dropped. So appreciate it. Peace out.